What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just did a live stream, but it crashed. So hopefully this one doesn't go down. I hope that everyone's having a great day today. We're gonna hop into our plays for this bull run coming up. We're gonna hop into if this is a bull trap or not. And make sure as well to subscribe to the channel, smash the like. That's the best thing that you guys can do to help us grow. All right, let's try to help as many people out there as possible make as much money as they can this cycle. All right, so over here, we got vilos.io. All right, this is the website that my community is on. If you want to join it, you can get 7 days for free to try all the features out, all the premium perks, everything like that. There's going to be new categories, additional categories. AI agents is coming in tonight. Base ecosystems coming in. Obviously, you get the bubble view, you get the chat, everything like that. And of course, you're going to get newsletters from me as well. If we go over here to our treasuries, NFTs, TVL, RWA, the DEX scan's actually getting a big update. If you see over here, there's going to be a signals. So I'm actively coding this into the website. The signals is going to be the tab where you can see which projects are actually paying for advertising on DEX Screener, DEX Tools, CoinMarketCap, which projects, meme coins and stuff like that are actually putting in money into marketing. And that's a big thing right here, okay? So if you're a degen trader, our DEX scan is ready. If you go look, these are all the trending tokens. I even added the BitTensor subnets that are trending over here as well. So if you want to mess around in that stuff, we're going to hop into it. We're going to talk about a bunch of stuff. It's going to be a quick live stream, so smash the like. If you guys have different questions for me, drop it into the chat. I will try to get to them as quickly as possible. If we go over here to Bitcoin, it is a crucial level coming up because we're approaching the 200-day moving average, the SMA, the simple moving average, 200-day. That is the blue line on the chart. And this is a crucial line because every single time in a bear market that Bitcoin approaches this, it's always failed. And it gets rejected and then comes back down and usually makes a lower low. I'll prove that to you right here. If we go look at the 2021 bull market, Bitcoin obviously topped out in Q4 of 2021. This was right here. We also had like a little double top. Comes back down, bear market vibes, all right? Starts relief rallying, catches everybody that's getting bullish again, starts telling all the retail investors, oh wait, this wasn't the top, you know? Gets everybody bullish again, and then boom, gets rejected, comes back down, makes lower lows. And that's the trap. That is the bull trap. Is it gonna play out again this time? I'll tell you guys what my opinion is on that. But before, let's go also check out if it's happened before. Yes, it has. So if we go over here in 2017, 2018, obviously Bitcoin topped out in Q4 of 2017 over here. It fails, comes back down. Now here's the retest of the 200 MA, fails, comes back down, does it again and again and again. And until there's enough bullish momentum to get it above the 200 MA, we are in a bear market. And so there was a little bit of a rally in 2019 here, but that wasn't the real bull run. The real bull run was 2017 over here, okay? So we're in the same predicament coming up that happened multiple different times. So this one over here, that was in 2017, this one over here in 2021, and then even way back, if we go to the prehistoric ages of crypto, it happened as well. It's happened every single cycle. So you get the top in the bull run, you come back down, you chop a little bit, and then finally when it starts rallying back up, when it gets to this blue line, it always fails, gets rejected, and comes back down. So this is the most important time that we are in the market. Is this cycle different? Okay, obviously the cycle peaked out on October 10th in 2025, right over here, okay? We are in a bear market. Bitcoin clearly is. I mean, like it went down to $60,000, but is it over now? Is the bear market over? And we're about to find out. We are literally at that level right here. And this is why it's so important to keep track, because if you don't, you could miss the big move where Bitcoin starts shooting up again. Now, my opinion is I think we are going to follow history and we're going to go back down again. We're going to start going back down. But I don't think that the altcoins are going to be damaged that much because a lot of them have not moved up that much. All right. Now, if it does come back down, you are going to get a lot of good price action. Okay, with the altcoins. So smash the like. Let's see if the stream is still up. I think we're good. I think we're live right now. We're doing pretty good. The last stream I talked for 20 minutes and then it went down, and that just sucks because I got to restart all the stuff, but it's okay though. So right here, we're at that level. Let's go back over here to Vilos. Let's see what's trending on the day. Okay, so we got Firo, Zano, Lab, Billions Network, Venice token. This Venice token is shooting up quite a bit. If we go on the 1 month, a month ago it was at $8.46. Now it's at $14. And it's on base. So I am actually going to add this to my watch list over here. Let's just do this real quick. Let's add Venice token to the watch list because I'm adding base tokens. As you guys can see, I just added Dogemy, KeyCat, and Kita. KeyCat over here, I think it's at a nice little point because it's only a $5.93 million market cap. All right. And you can see that's clearly bottomed out. I threw in a little bit of money recently into KeyCat. I think that this is a nice little time to get a little bit because this isn't a normal meme coin. It's on Coinbase. It's a tier 1 listing. That is big time. All right. That's a huge, huge thing. If we go over here to, let's say, Pengu, let's go check it out real quick. Hold on a second. Let me just. Okay. Pengu is at 009. It's coming back down a little bit over this last month's rally. It rallied up big time, up 28% right here, but it actually went up to over a penny, and now it's back down to 009. So if we do get a nice little pullback with Bitcoin, like let's say like we get back down to 70,000, which is right here, like 70,000 mark, and then we rally back up to the 200 MA, this move downwards, we're going to get all of these tokens at a better price. And that's going to be a really nice time to be DCAing. If you didn't DCA during this time over here when Bitcoin went down to $65,000. So you didn't miss the big move yet. Oh, I mean, you haven't even missed the big move at all. We're still in the bear market. Like I said earlier, it's going to take Bitcoin actually breaking through this resistance here at 200 simple moving average. Okay, that's the blue line. So, but this is the time where you might get the best price points in the next 4 years because all of these different cryptocurrencies, they came down 95% now. So also drop some chats in the community as well if you guys want to do a voice call very soon here. We can chat, we can talk, hang out, do everything like that. If we go check out the news, let's go over to crypto. Oh, I actually heard this. So Claude, the AI, helped a Bitcoin owner recover his lost password to his wallet, and he saved $400,000 in Bitcoin. That's huge. It's crazy what AI can do. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong gets behind Clarity Act ahead of Thursday markup. Armstrong said the bill is closer than ever to advancing into the U.S. Congress after months of negotiations between the crypto industry and banks. And then Trump's CEO Phil China visit can decide whether Bitcoin's $80,000 risk rally survives this week. That's going to be big. So Trump is currently meeting with the leader of China, the president of China, and they're going to be discussing, a deal, things going on with global conflicts, the wars, everything like that. That's going to be huge. If they can get something done, you're going to start seeing Bitcoin is going to react very bullish to that. Okay. Let's go down here a little bit. That's basically that. Let's go over here to my presentation. Okay, so Bitcoin's at $79,000. All right. On the 1 month, it's still green. We're at 8.34%. On the year, we're down 23%. Looking good. Let's go back over here. This is a brand new interface and hub that I do for my videos, BitTensor. I did forget to talk about BitTensor. Let's go. So we're at 294 with Tau. Looking nice. Let's go actually do some Tau TA if you guys want. Let's go over here. Okay. So last stream I was talking about Tau is like, trading in this descending triangle. It's a huge multi-year compressment going on with Tau. I think that Tau, it's trading above its 200 SMA right here. It's looking very strong and bullish, but it could still chop around. If Bitcoin decides to come back down, we're going to stay in this. We're going to stay in this like tight pocket here with Tau, and then we'll bust through it and then get up to like those $700, $1,000, north of $1,000 levels with BitTensor. But this is one of the plays that you got to have in your portfolio. I'm super bullish on it. I mean, decentralized AI is going to be very bullish in crypto because artificial intelligence is the most bullish thing worldwide, and the stocks are doing really good. If we go over here, NVIDIA, oh my gosh, it's back to $225. It's up 8.66%. Alphabet, Google is at $400. It's the second largest stock on the planet. You're looking at a market cap of $4.83 trillion. NVIDIA has got a big lead, $5.47 trillion. Apple's doing great, $298, right below $300. It's up. So the AI stocks are doing good. Okay. I think that the AI cryptos are going to do the same. They're going to do very good as well. So if we go over here, one of our plays, Virtuals Protocol, is having a nice pullback. I got to admit, I didn't think that they were going to go back into the 70s. This is a really good time to be adding some to your portfolio. As you guys know, lately I've been talking about Virtuals quite a bit. If you guys followed what I was telling you to do in my videos, you would have bought into the 65 range and you would have been able to take a profit at like 95 cents. That's a really good profit. That's like, 35%, 40, 50% up. And now you're getting a nice little pullback. So what am I telling you now? I'm telling you this is a good time to be buying some as well. Not financial advice, but a nice pullback coming in with Virtuals. If we go check out the chart, let's do this. You're getting a nice little pullback here. Went up to 95 cents. It's down 20% from that. Good DCA point. Came right back below its 200 MA. Relative strength index got overheated, of course, with that move. This dropped right here, plummeted. Nice time to be adding some Virtuals into your portfolio, in my opinion. Okay. If we go over here real quick, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like, drop a comment, do whatever you guys can. It's absolutely free to do. And I'm going to be dropping some more videos on the channel as well. So if we go over to X, let's go check out some breaking news. Watcher Guru. So Fidelity announces support for the Crypto Clarity Act. Nice. Breaking news, Senate officially confirms Kevin Warsh. USDT issuer Tether CEO says crypto clarity is coming. S&P 500 reaches another new all-time high today. Crazy. 7,450 bucks. Looking really good. If we go over here, Coinbase CEO Armstrong says that the crypto market structure legislation's closer. So they're all saying it's going to happen, basically. NVIDIA becomes the first company in history to reach $5.5 trillion in market cap. You got US PPI rises to 6%, higher than expectations. Elon Musk traveling on Air Force One. So you got a lot of these CEOs. You got Jensen Huang, the CEO of NVIDIA. You got Elon Musk. You got like a bunch of other guys all going with Trump to try to get a deal done. Honestly, that's the best case scenario. Yeah, all the best negotiators, essentially, the most successful people on the planet, all going to China to get peace talks going. Okay. I also like this update on X. You can see that when you do a cash tag and then the ticker, you get the chart, which is really nice. So you can see the active charts on X. Really like that. If you guys want to follow me on X, it's Delta Force OS right there. Almost at 25K followers on X. That's pretty good. All right. And here they are arriving on Air Force One, officially landed today. That's pretty dope. Okay. Let's go over here real quick. Let's actually check out what Solana is doing on the day. Let's go back. I got some big things coming, guys. I got some really big things. So not only are the token unlocks live on Vilos, like if we go over here, let me show you. Okay, so base ecosystem has been programmed. So base ecosystem is now on Vilos. You also got, did I see AI agents? Yeah. So the top AI agents on the planet are now on Vilos as well. This is going to be the best. Definitely join the community. And you're also going to get, when the prices go up, especially in the bull market, you're grandfathered in at $19 a month. So instead of paying $100 or $200 to a Discord server, I would say definitely do this, because I'm also going to, if you want to know exactly when I'm buying, when I'm selling, all these degen meme coins, all this stuff, you're going to be able to get all that stuff as well. So, but first we're building the interface and the hub and where we're going to be making all the money this cycle. Okay, last cycle we made millions. This cycle we want to make deca millions. So if we go over here, watch list, back over here, Dog and Me, another one, I think it's going to be bullish. It's at 7.25 mil market cap, all diluted. This thing is bottomed out. Nice little base meme coin right there. I like that one. I also like Kita. I haven't added it to the portfolio yet, but I think it's got potential. It's at 15 cents. Doing pretty good. Okay. It's doing decent. It's doing decent. It's at 15 cents. Its all-time high is at $1.54. That's why I think that there's actual potential with this one, guys. So I'm looking at it. It's clearly bottomed out. The peak bottom was like 14 cents, I think. 13 cents. So you're getting it at 15. So I think it's pretty good. A couple community members have been telling me to look into this one. So I have been starting, like about a week ago, I started looking into it and it looks pretty good. I mean, like it's a layer one. Look at all these good narratives. Layer one, RWA, payment solutions, base ecosystem, stablecoin issuer. That's bullish. So we're going to go back over here. Let's go check out our commodities real quick. Gold is at 4,700. Okay. We go check out 1 year. It's really good. I've been buying gold for years now. For years, I've been buying gold. I have told everybody in my community, have some gold, have some gold. I made buy alerts. I did everything. I said buy PAX G, which is the tokenized version of the spot price of gold, at like $2,500. And this thing is now trading at 4,700. I think gold towards the end of the year, it's going to have another rally. If we go, you know what we should do, guys? We should just all go into cocoa over here. We should just put all of our money into cocoa. No, I'm just kidding. Or we should buy some we should buy some soybeans. Where's the lean hogs? Where are those lean hogs at? Let me see. Or we could go all into milk together. Let's go all into milk. So yeah, commodities are looking good. I think oil is going to keep rising as well. If this war doesn't settle down, oil is probably going to get up to like $150 or $200 a barrel. If we go over here to, let's go check out more stuff. Let's see our bubbles view. Top gainers. Not too many on the day. Not too many top gainers because this is a red day. Top losers. You got Tau that's down 4%. Zcash is down 8%. Toncoin down 8%. Let's go check out a little bit more degen over here. Let's see. Okay, so this is 120 to 180 ranked on the planet. What's this one? I want to see this. Okay, Ape and Pepe. This is a $250 million market cap. What exchanges does it have? It has MEXC, HTX, Gate.io, Bitmart. It doesn't even have big exchanges, and it's like that big a market cap. It's kind of weird. Let's go to... I can see there's Toshi right here. Toshi's at 78 million. It's not doing too bad. It's doing pretty good. Where's Turbo at? Let's see. I think Turbo is... There we go. There's Turbo right over here. Let me check out something over here real quick. Okay. Matt, good to see you, man. Pump or dump tomorrow? Your guess is as good as mine, man. We're going to find out together. Which is the best cold wallet? The best cold wallet, I mean, Tangem, Ledger. I think those are the top two. If you want more convenience, I would say Tangem, because when you tap the card, it's pretty easy to do. But both of them are pretty good, though. Both of them are very safe. I like Ledger because the devices, they look really cool, you know. I got a lot of Ledgers. What's your opinion on Epic Chain and B3? So is B3 and Epic Chain the same thing? Okay, so B3 right over here. $0012. It's at $115 million. Let's see the token unlocks. The next unlock is 902 million B3. And that is on June 9th. So yeah, there's no unlocks coming up pretty soon. That's bullish. On the 14 days, I mean, if it's up literally 350%, I would not be buying it right now. You don't want to buy something that was just at 00026 and now it's at 0012. But let's see the all-time high. What was it at? So all-time high was way back in February of last year. It was at $0.06. And now it lost a decimal. It's at 0012. It's still down 78% from, you know, when it came out. It's down even more than that from the all-time high. So yeah, it's not like you're buying the top or anything. It's just like a local top. Like, could this be like a big relief rally? Because I want you to like just be careful. If Bitcoin decides to come back down here, okay, like this is what I'm seeing. All these altcoins, and you see these blue things, the blue lines that I drew last live stream, like Bitcoin is going to make a decision here, guys, pretty soon. we're at that decision right now because you can see that it's approaching its 200-day moving average, the blue line. And every single cycle before that, like I said earlier in the stream, in a bear market, it gets up to the 200-day MA and then it gets rejected. Then it makes a new lower low. So the only thing that I think is different this time, though, is that the stock market is literally at all-time highs. So I mean, like, gold is also doing really good. If we go over here, the stock market's just running away. Could it be overvalued right now? I mean, maybe, like, but I don't see it really stopping because the AI stuff is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. And those are the big companies, the Magnificent Seven. They're just dragging the stock market up with it. Also, energy stocks are doing pretty good because there's going to be global scarcity with oil going on. So I think that the stock market could get up to like $8,000 this year. I really do. And every single time that the stock market comes back down, like, it recovers really quickly. You can see a V-shaped recovery right here. You know, that doesn't take that much time. How much time did that take? So we got right there to right here. This is like 114 days to get back up to the point. That's like, you know, a few months. A lot of people have been calling for the stock market to dip and have a really big bear market, and then we go into a recession. But like every single time that it's done this, it's recovered, and it's been in a bull market for like pretty much a decade now. So there's dips, and then we just got the most recent V-shaped recovery going on, and we're currently in a pretty big uptrend. So you can see that, like, once it does a V-shaped dip, how long does it take, like, of like constant uptrend? Like, this was right here, that was like 569 days above the 200 MA. If we go over here, let's say this to this, we're at like almost a year of straight up action. So Bitcoin, like, if it goes back down, it's been in a bear market, it would make sense because Bitcoin plays by its own rules a lot. It could go down to like 60,000, make a new low. Let me just draw that out. Let's go over here. Maybe it finds a bottom between 50,000. Like, this is the bear case scenario. It comes back down, chops into this box right here, and then we start, you know, rallying back up. Or it actually does something that it's never done in its entire history, and it starts busting through the 200 MA, and then boom, it's off to the races, and it can get up there really fast. So I would say when you're looking at these altcoins like Base 3 and all these other ones, just don't put in a lot of money, especially on something that has pumped up 200 or 300%. If you're looking at something that is still kind of on the floor, has not exploded yet this cycle, yes, like, that would be a good one to add to the portfolio for sure. Good to see you, Bitcoin 1 million, man. Tangent Wallet, yep. Akash, Kita is diluting supply, but price seems to be hovering between 12 cents and 17. Yeah, so if we go check it out, the next unlock is in 22 days, 18 million more adding on to the market. 18 million out of 1 billion supply. It's a decent unlock. It's big enough. Let's go over here real quick. So top trending on the day. Let's just do this. Hold on a second. Zano Lab Injective. What's this one? Billions Network. This is crazy. This is just continuing to go up. But it's brand new, though. It just came out in May. 2 billion supply, $1.84 billion fully diluted, $800 million of volume. What the heck is this? It's on Coinbase, Bybit, Kraken. Billions is the global human and AI network built on mobile first verification to scale the internet value. Uniquely verify the identity and uniqueness of humans and AI agents, empowering users and personalized experiences with rewards. Our network is designed to be accessible, scalable, and anonymous. I need to check out the website. This is interesting. Prove you're real without revealing who you are. Verify every AI you interact with in full privacy. HSBC, Linea, Polygon, BNB Chain. They have a lot of big partners. Base, Government of India. So this is interesting right here. That's a big market cap. Billions Network envisions a connected world where every interaction among humans and AI is authentic, secure, and trusted. By bridging the gap between humanity and technology, Billions aims to unlock unprecedented value and personalized benefits for every individual, making the digital future equitable, inclusive. Okay, roadmap. 3 key phases. So human and AI, establishing the boundary between them. Reputation layer, connecting humans and AI agents through verified, okay. Global trust, enabling rich identities backed by trusted. So it just looks like it's like, you know, digital ID kind of thing. That's what it is. Yeah. Decentralized identifier. That's like digital ID. Interesting. So that's trending. It's got a really good chart. It's continuing to go up into the right. It's got tier 1 exchanges. You have Venice token over here. It's at $13. This thing has been absolutely exploding. Like this thing, for example, I wouldn't go buy it right now. I would wait for this. I would wait for Bitcoin first to make a decision. And then if you want to add some, sure, whatever. But like it's already exploded. That's the number one rule. Don't buy something that's already pumped up a lot. Unless you have done super deep research and you know for a fact like it's still undervalued, like it should be way higher. But this one right here is on my watch list as well. It's on Upbit, Coinbase, Bybit, Kraken, Crypto.com. And this one is like AI. So Venice, it's an innovative approach to generative AI with its unique privacy architecture, access to competitive features, including multiple leading open source LLM models. Okay, so go check it out. Ask anything. Features. How to use Venice. So you select your model, enter your prompt, view result. So it looks like it's like a decentralized AI. So this might have potential. Wow, their max plan is $200 a month. Interesting. Yeah, you know, that's why it's on my watch list. It's over here. It's a new one that I just added today. I'm looking at it. It's only a $633 million market cap. If you look at OpenAI and Claude and all these other big ones, Google, Gemini, those are all hundreds of billions of dollars of valuation and like trillions actually. And this one is a cryptocurrency and it's only like a 1.1 billion fully diluted. So this is like a blue chip. It could be a blue chip AI project this cycle. Actually, let me go back here. What's the supply? Only 80 million, but they could always make more. There's no max supply, but 80 million, this could definitely scale up to like over $100. I'm telling you right now, watch this video in like a year from now. We're looking at it at $13. This could be over like 100, 150 for sure because of the supply. Pengu's doing good. It's down 4.8% on the day though, so this is a nice little pullback. We can check it out. Pengu's having a nice pullback, guys. So it went up to a penny 1, and now it's at 0.009. So this is a nice little pullback for people that want to add a little bit to your portfolio. I'm still super, super bullish on it. Let's go over here. Let's go see my data points on it for the day. And there's still 30% that needs to be diluted though. So, you know, there's still that, but they're just building so much. I was looking on Amazon last night and they got their Pudgy toys on there. They're selling a lot. We'll let that load. We'll let that load. Yeah. There we go. Oh, I guess that's not the right domain. I want to go check out their website real quick. I've always liked their website. I think this is the best meme coin for this cycle, hands down. I think that this thing could definitely get up to like $30 billion of market cap, because its all-time high this past cycle was $4 billion, and they're just continuing to build. So I think this could definitely be pretty big here. Let's say, actually, let me just go in the converter. Let's see what the price of Pengu would be like if it had like Shiba Inu's market cap of last cycle. Okay, so it would be like 59 cents. 59 cents per Pengu token ish, you know, like around that. And you're getting it at below 1 penny. So that's like a nice 59x on your money if it gets up to that. I think it's possible. Obviously, I would not hold until it gets up to that point. I'd be way up in profit, so I'd be selling. But this new one called Kishu Inu is up pretty big. It's at $28 million of market cap. This thing has a pretty good chart recently. But you can see its all-time high was way above where it's at in 2021. And this is an old one. An old one. I wonder why this one is just pumping out of nowhere. It's up 10x over the past month here. 10x. Is there a reason for this? There has to be. Let's see the website. Why is this pumping out of nowhere? Just a random 10x. So they got OKX, Mexi, Bitmart. Let's see their X. I don't know. 511K followers. That's got to be fake. I don't know, but I have no idea. Random stuff. That's just what crypto is. Some things just pump out of random thin air. Ondo actually had a pretty good run this past 7 days. It's up 20%. It's up 50% on the month because the Clarity Act is moving closer and closer to passing. It was at 25 cents last month. Now it's at 38 cents. And then Trollcoin as well has been doing pretty good. So it's at 13 cents. See, like I wouldn't buy Trollcoin because it's up 600% on the 1 month. So you don't want to buy it right now, but it's definitely leading the way though, above all the other meme coins out there. It went up to 27 cents at the all-time high in August of last summer. And it looks like it's probably going to test it. So that's a 2x from here. Okay, so it is on Coinbase. That changes everything. That changes absolutely everything. Crypto.com and Binance US. I mean, this is definitely different now then. It's only $133 million of market cap. I'm going to add this to my watch list right now. If it's on Coinbase, I like it. So, oh. Control. There we go. Add that on there. I like the meme coins that are on Binance and Coinbase, but especially Coinbase. All right, let's go check out Hype real quick. Hyperliquid. It's at $38. So over the past 1 month here, it's just chopping a little bit. It's kind of having a little bit of a downtrend. Just made a lower high right over here. So you can see local high, lower. You're seeing a little bit of a downtrend coming in here, lower lows. It's trading in a parallel channel right now, so we'll see if it actually comes back down. That level would probably be right here at like $37. That'd be a good DCA, and then maybe it comes back up. But now it's going to face resistance on the way back up here. So, but this is a great one to add to your portfolio, 100%. I'm not going to keep it too long today. I'm not going to keep it too long. Drop your chats if you guys want me to see anything. Hey, what's up, Julio? Good to see you, man. You think Andes virus get out of hand? Andes virus? I've heard of Hanta. Is that a new one? Will that make the countries to print money? Will that cause countries to print more money? Andes virus. Is this like a strain? This is the same. I think this is the same one as the hantavirus. Yeah. So like, my thoughts on it are, I think that like it's not going to be like COVID back in the day where it's like the huge thing. Let me see. As of May 2026, there's 11 cases of hantavirus, including 3 deaths, have been linked to a recent rare international cruise ship outbreak. Globally, 10,000 to over 100,000 infections occur annually, mostly in Asia. I mean, it doesn't look like it's like that serious right now, to be honest, guys. I don't think that you should get like super like nervous about it. There's like literally 11 cases. So if it starts getting bigger and bigger and like it's like always in the headlines and stuff, like don't fearmonger yourself and look at different like news places that are like constantly trying to spread fear and misinformation and stuff like that. Just concentrate on a couple headlines, but I wouldn't like be like too worried about it. Like worst case scenario, like you just have to watch like a couple places for news like that. Like if you start seeing headlines about it on Watcher Guru, then it starts becoming a little bit more serious, okay? But Watcher Guru is like a good non-biased source that I get a lot of my information from. It's not political or anything like that. And they follow the crypto markets very, very quickly. But I wouldn't be too like worried about it. Yeah. Why I can't pin this other guy's chat? Akash, I can't pin his chat up. Why is it not letting me? Now my chat's not even working. It always does this. Okay. All right, let's go back over here real quick. I want to check out some more breaking news. Okay. Sorry about that. I was just looking at something in the background. It's building this thing over here. Okay. So yeah, Pengu, we checked it out. It looks good. It's having a nice little pullback. I would say, let's go back. Let's see what Arrow is down 5%. Virtuals is down 4%. Tau is down 5%. They're all about like 5 to 6% down right now. Obviously, Bitcoin's not that much. It's only like 1.3%. ETH's doing really good. I got to be honest, like ETH is pretty strong right now. Go check it out. It's not really that, it's not close to its 200-day MA either. So that's probably a reason why it's not getting that much, downside. It's holding a nice support right here above like 2,200. Now we've been up here with ETH like for like 3-4 weeks now, like a whole month. So what I'm seeing with ETH is like it's slowly creeping back up, like it's making higher lows, and it's in this nice little parallel channel going up into the right. So if Ethereum continues to like just go up more and more, I mean the altcoins are going to follow it, because this is the king altcoin right here. So Ethereum, once it starts approaching that 200-day moving average, which is going to be probably over here, then you're going to maybe see resistance. But Bitcoin's already at it. So if Bitcoin makes its decision and it wants to go back down, and we get rejected here, then yeah, ETH will fall back over. Solana will go back down. All the others will go back down. But there's a chance that for the first time in history, Bitcoin actually breaks through this and starts pumping hard. The next resistance level would probably be around $90,000 over here. I mean, maybe like 85 first, but $90,000 is that psychological level. So if that happens, a lot of these altcoins are going to pump. Like they could definitely double in market cap. You can make a nice quick 2x on your money. Like literally you put in like 10K, you get like 20K. I'm telling you, like those are easy relief rally gains coming up. That's why I'm telling you to buy some right now. But don't go like all in, because we are at that inflection point with Bitcoin where it wants to make a decision. So you just got to watch what it does over the next like week or so. I just love this website, guys. We're going to keep making this better and better and better. What do you guys want to see on the website? What do you want me to add to it? And I will do my best to program it into the website. But what I worked on the last few days, why I didn't make any videos really, is because I'm also a developer making this stuff. But once this is really done, I can just focus on making content. But the token unlocks are there. Perspective tool. I know you guys love the perspective tool because you can just compare market caps so easily. And even the slider button where you can, do customizations and stuff. The bubbles, obviously. The chat, I did program the live chat as well. And then you can drop videos and images and stuff like that too. Polls are up. Polls are up as well. Actually, I think I did drop a poll somewhere. Where was it? I dropped the poll. I don't know if people voted on that yet. I said Hyperliquid or Tau, but we'll see it. Stocks as well, politician trades. I'm going to polish this up a little bit more. So these are the insider trades. They have to disclose what they're buying. I'm going to continue to make that even better. So we got the Senate, we got the House, global indexes over here. S&P's at, look at the S&P, guys. That's absolutely crazy. It's just pumping hard. There we go. Wow. I'll tell you what, like honestly, if you're a financial advisor or something, like you must be really happy, okay? Because like look at this. It's just continuing to go up and up and up. Like this is the best time. Okay. Let's see real quick. Okay, I think my chat might be working. Spread risk in humans is low. Yeah, exactly. There's not really anything to worry about. Anda's is its transition from human to human. Yeah, but like it's not, there's like 11 people. So I wouldn't be too worried about it. Obviously, that's how every single pandemic is started. It starts with a few people. But I don't really am worried about it right now when there's 11 cases. Of course, I'll switch my stance on it if it escalates. 100%. But like not right now. It's not worth it. Good to see you. All right. Let me just refresh. Okay. This thing over here. Hold on a second. Okay. I think that we did most of the stuff today. How long have I been going? 53 minutes. We can hang around a little bit longer. Okay. Let's see. Let's go into the top gainers right here. 7-day. I'm just kind of doing research live right now in front of you guys, to be honest. If you guys don't mind, I'm just gonna kind of look for some cryptos. Okay, so 7 days, we got Build On, that's up 258%. Siren, Sui. Let's see, what's the worst? Dash, Pudgy Penguins. Pudgy's only down because it's been up so much. That's it. Toncoin is down 14%. Actually, what is Toncoin doing? Okay, so Toncoin went up to like $3.50 in the bull market, came all the way back down to like 1.3, and now it's at $2.71. It's a layer 1. It's Telegram's token. How much is circulating? So 3 billion out of 5 billion, and there's no max supply. I don't think I would add it. Maybe, but it's kind of too big in market cap. I want to go into, let's say like page 3 or something. Okay. Troll is number 1 on page 3. Asteroid Shiba. Okay, now it's coming back down. So now it's down 30%. It's back down. Okay, still above 100 mil market cap. So it's doing pretty good still. Did it get any new exchanges? Nope. No big exchanges yet. See, when you're a meme coin and you got that big of a market cap, you got to start getting some exchanges because people are going to get fed up and they're going to start selling your token. When you have the funds because when the team's tokens go up in value, you gotta spend some of that to buy these exchanges, or else you're just gonna come right back down. But some of those teams are selfish, you know, they don't want to do anything. Okay, so that's page 3. Brett is slowly creeping up here. It's back. It's up 12%. It's at 0.0092. But most of it is controlled by insiders and stuff, so I wouldn't get into it. And it still doesn't have Coinbase, so I'm not bullish on it. Let's go to page 5. Moodang is at 5.8. It still hasn't like pumped up too much. Moodang's been chopping around in this thing for a while, and Peanut the Squirrel as well. So Moodang over the last few months, it's been kind of chopping in this channel here. Oh wait, hold on a second. I do see some chats. PPI is at 6% higher than expected. Considering new Fed chair PMI above 50, Clarity Act, what implications will it have on crypto moving forward? Well, because the PPI is greater than expected, you're probably not going to see rate cuts anytime soon. And I also saw on Polymarket that the rate cuts are not the percentages of it are going down, so that's not good. On crypto, it's bullish if we get rate cuts, obviously, but I don't think it's going to have a huge implication right now because it's only one indicator. So, is it good to buy WIF? That's a good question, man. Dog with hat is still kind of big in market cap, to be honest. It's at 217 mil, but it could be something that's like a golden opportunity, because this thing did go up to like $4.58 and you'd be getting it at 21. But I rather invest in something that has utility than a big meme coin like this. I would say Troll is the only meme coin that is like around the $100 million range that I would maybe buy right now. And then the only one above that would be Pengu. And I think Pepe is actually going to do pretty good as well. But Dog with Hat has all the exchanges, it has Robinhood, I think. It has Binance, it has Coinbase. So yeah, like there's potential with WIF to come back and have like a big cycle again. And it's only 200 million, so yeah, I think it's a good one. I just don't see, the thing I don't like about it is the meme itself. Like, I don't think it's not a cultural iconic meme like Pepe. Like Troll is actually very known. Like, you're a troll. Like, people know that. So I think Troll has a lot of potential actually to get up to like a pretty big value. And I think that it would be pretty funny to see Troll get up to billions of dollars of market cap, because it'd be a troll on like, you know, just like traditional stuff out there, traditional finance, seeing like there's a stupid meme coin called Troll and it's up 5. I could see that happening, just like how Pepe, you know, like, so I don't really see Dog with Hat though getting back up to like huge levels, but it could definitely get up back up to like a billion maybe. But I rather have Pengu than that one. So Pepe, it's got pretty good volume on the day. It's got 240 mil volume. On the 3-month chart, it's still kind of trading downwards a little bit. So it's only at 1.72 billion. I mean, it's, instead of Pepe, I would buy like Moodang and Peanut the Squirrel or something like that. Like, I think Peanut the Squirrel also has some potential to come back. This thing's cheap. It's at 58 mil market cap. It's Binance, Bitstamp. Okay. I mean, there's Coinbase as well and Kraken. So that's why I like this one a lot. It's got Binance and Coinbase, and most of these meme coins only have one or the other. This thing has potential. It's got $22 million of volume. That's 38.47% of the market cap. That's really good. That's also something that I really like about Vilos is it tells you the percentage. The higher volume there is compared to the market cap, the more interest there is, you know? So that's bullish. Let me check out their X. Yeah, like this one, I mean, it's not really memeable to be honest, but it's still like an animal, and animal meme coins do decent. So I could see it coming back. I think that's, oh yeah, Aster, it's at 67 cents now. Yeah, it's been chopping in this range for a long time. So I rather have Hyperliquid than Aster. Considering utility of Pengu, its brand and market cap, what would you anticipate in the coming bull run? That's a great question. I mean, like I did touch upon it earlier. I could see it getting up to $30 billion of market cap, having like a Shiba Inu 2021 style run. I think minimum it gets back up to like $5 billion of market cap. And that would be a new all-time high. I could see that happening. And then becoming just like a global intellectual property, you know, crypto first brand. Like that's what they're doing already. And I think that they can just continue to spread, because a good indicator of if they're still popular is their social media. And they have still millions of followers on social media, and to my knowledge, their GIFs and their memes are still being used, and they have actual characters and a storyline and stuff like that. Like, yeah, I think that they're gonna do pretty good. Like if we go over here, they're just masters at this stuff, you know. Like they're constantly coming out with like different products and stuff, and like their little cartoon is like, people like that. And then they have a virtual world and stuff. So yeah, I would say like minimum $5 billion of market cap, which is like a 10x from here. No, that's like an 8x from here. And then all the way up to like 30 billion. Like this thing could absolutely explode and take all the attention away from all the other memes for sure. Any thoughts on Math Token? Me and Akash are just having a private conversation in public right now. We're just going back and forth. Math 0.03. It's a wallet. It has like, it's a wallet that has like all the chains and stuff with it. I don't really like wallet tokens, you know. I don't really see them being super bullish because there's not really that much utility with it. It went up to 295 and 21, but that was ages ago. And now it's, you know, it's at 3 cents. I wouldn't see it getting interest, you know, and there's only a Coinbase and there's not really anything else. So I wouldn't buy this, to be honest. That's crazy that they raised $19.8 million to make this project, because, you know, you could literally make this for free. I know how to make a wallet. I know how to make all this stuff. Like, you can make this entire project for free, essentially. But $19 million. Yeah, I don't like the website. It's like super old and stuff. I can't see them competing with Phantom or, you know, MetaMask and stuff like that. But yeah, guys, smash the like on your way out. It was a good stream today. I liked hanging out with you guys. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.